From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, Senator Natasha has filed a defamation suit against Senate President S.P Akpabio over defamatory remarks about her. The lawsuit filed at the Federal Capital Territory High Court stated that the lawyer of Senator Natasha stated that a post shared on the Facebook page of a user with the handle Patrick insinuated that the senator focuses more on makeup and transparent outfit rather than legislative duties. He described these assumptions as defamatory and damaging to her reputation. She, however, seek a court declaration that the statement was defamatory, an injunction preventing further such publications, and 100 billion naira in damages along with 300 million naira in litigation costs. However, the lawsuit follows days after a video circulated online captured the moment Senate President S.P Akpabio ordered the removal of Senator Natasha who represents Kogi Central Senatorial District, from the Senate chamber, which resulted in a clash. Meanwhile, the Kogi Senator has been referred to the Senate's disciplinary committee over the incident. However, as this story develops, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.